And this is Hanan Mustafa Siddiq from Data Science, rule number 34. Today my topic in PC for 82 is technical writing. First of all, what is technical writing? Technical writing is a process of communicating complex and specialized information in a clear, structured, and accessible way. It is used to convey instructions, procedures, data, and technical concepts to a specific audience. Common examples include user manuals, research reports, and technical documentation. These are called technical writing, and in which we'll use this purpose. What is purpose of technical writing and its applications? To ensure accurate transfer of knowledge from experts to users or readers, used in fields such as engineering, software development, biotechnology, and more. Aim to make technical content understandable and usable. These are the purposes and applications of technical writings. Now I'm going to next slide. There are 6 ventures: clarity, avoid vague or ambiguous language. We should make clarity in what we are writing and ensure that each sentence conveys a single message and a clear message. Use simple, straightforward vocabulary appropriate to the audience. Consciousness. Uh, Eliminate redundant words and filler content. We should not use any redundant words and filler content. We should be conscious in what we are speaking. Use brief but informative phrases. We should be brief in what about what we are talking, and it should be informative. It should be useful to the listeners as well. Paragraphs should be short and useful and focused, which should help the listeners and keep them not getting bored. Accuracy is one of the main things in this. Accuracy means what we are telling should be accurate and it should be fillerless and clarity. As we saw in clarity, double check facts, figures, and procedures. Should double check our facts, figures, and procedures when we are telling something to the people. We should use correct terminology and units of measurements. Inaccurate writing can lead to costly errors or misunderstandings. We should be accurate in what we are writing, and our inaccurate can cost errors or misunderstanding in others. So we should maintain accurate language which we are speaking or which we are writing, and terminology should be good. We should be aware of our audience. Audience awareness. Identify who the readers are. Example, students, engineers, customers. We should always be aware of our listeners. Tailor language and detail level to their background and expectations. We should speak according to the listeners' expectations and others. Include explanations or definitions for unfamiliar. Some terminology cannot be understood by this business, so we should explain what they can't understand or unfamiliar with the terms. Logical organizations. Arrange information in a logical sequence. We should arrange the information in a logical sequence, so the introduction, body, and conclusion. There should, in everything which we are going to say or explain to the others, we should maintain a body. First we have to maintain introduction, then body, then it should also contain conclusion. Using headings and subheadings for structures. We should also use headings and subheadings for structures. Include summaries or conclusions to reinforce key points. Uh, to, to reinforce our key point, we should include summaries and use of visual aids. Include charts, graphs, and diagrams to support text visuals, help explain complex processes and data. Visual aids are the main thing we should use, as like uh, technology now we are having smart TVs, projectors, etc. Or we can even use charts, references, etc. in our visual aids to better understanding of the students or listeners. Visuals help explain complex process and data in a simple way. Ensure visuals are labeled, referred, and relevant. Next, what makes good technical writing? Up to now we have saw six important of technical writings. Now, what makes good technical writing? So, the writing or the content what we are writing, it should be informative, purposeful, and reader focused. It combines clarity, structure, and accuracy. It also provides useful outcomes like solving a problem or understanding a system, which is also very important in our technical writing. These are the main things that we should keep in mind when we are writing. Standard use of active voice. Active voice. What is active voice? Makes writing more direct and vigorous. Example: the technician replaced the fuse. Active versus the fuse was replaced by the technician. Passive. We can understand uh, in active voice we can easily understand what the writer wants to explain or explain. The fuse was replaced by the technician. Both we can see the difference in active and passive voices. Active voice readability. Improves readability as user can read it in easy manner. Standard and consistency. Maintain consistent tone, formatting, and style throughout the document. You should maintain a consistent tone and formatting and style throughout the document so that viewers can understand it very easily. Use a consistent naming convention, units, and numbering system so that doesn't confuse the readers. Follow consistent layout for headings, subheadings, and bullets, etc. Standard grammar and grammars. You should ensure that the correct use of spelling, punctuation, and sentence structure should be there. Otherwise, readers can't understand what we are really going to explain to them. Errors reduces credibility and can cause confusion. Proofread careful and use grammar tools if needed. Standard document design. Use formatting to improve readability, fonts, spacing, margins, etc. Highlighting key section using bold, italic, or bullet points. Design should support navigation and understanding. Summary. At last, what we have learned throughout this session. Technical writing communicates technical information clear and effectively. Key characteristics: clarity, consciousness, accuracy, audience focus, structure, and visual sense. These are the main six things that we have technical writing. Thank you.